In today's video, we will be talking about SLSS, or Substation Line Sharing Switches. This is a device typically used for pulling multiple devices over a single phone line and allows you to minimize the number of phone lines you need to address several devices. In this example, we have 8 devices being pulled, as you can see. The central polling computer is connected to a modem which is connected to a phone line through the PSTN and to the SLSS. Once the connection is made to the SLSS, extension dialing is used to address one of the devices. It makes the call via the PSTN through the phone line by dialing an extension. In this case, it is accessing device 2. When it's finished, a user can make a new call to any other device, device 6 for example. Typically, this is used to pull a number of devices on a regular sequential basis. That is the purpose of an SLSS. It allows one to use a single phone line very simply to pull multiple devices, typically 4 to 8 devices. Let's take a look at an application using TC Communications JumboSwitch TC3848-1 interface card in place of the SLSS. The TC3848-1 is a modern device and comes with a standard 5-year warranty as well as included support and is in continuous production. The TC3848-1 has a single FXO port that would be connected to the phone line for the central site, for this example, and has 4 FXS ports. The TC3848-1 also has an internal PBX, which allows you to map the FXO port to any of the FXS ports using dialing extensions. You can designate each FXS port with a specific extension number which will connect the FXO to the appropriate FXS port. This product provides a simple, user-friendly replacement for an existing SLSS and is a convenient installation for a new deployment. So how exactly do we put a TC3848-1 in place of an SLSS? This is a 4-port SLSS device connected from the PSTN to 4 devices as shown on the right. We can simply drop in the TC3848-1 in place of the SLSS. The FXO port connects to the phone line, and the 4 FXS ports connect to the 4 devices, and as previously mentioned, you then program the virtual PBX to allow access to the FXS ports. The beauty of the TC3848-1 is you can use multiple devices to give you more FXS ports. If you want to connect more devices, such as the 8 devices shown in the original example, you can simply add another TC3848-1. We can connect the 2 via their integrated IP ports. You now have 2 incoming FXO ports and 8 outgoing FXS ports, and the virtual PBX is shared between them, thus any of the FXO ports can connect to any of the FXS ports. This provides incredible flexibility and allows you to use a single FXO port as to have only one phone line coming in to pull all 8 devices. Or you can use both FXO ports if you like, and you can use them simultaneously. For example, one FXO port can be talking to device 1, and the other can be talking to device 7. If you want to have as many as 12 ports, you can add an extra card, and once again have a shared virtual PBX for ultimate flexibility. You can go from 3 FXO ports or just use 1 or 2, whichever you prefer. You can continue adding these cards until you have as many as 7 incoming FXO ports, 28 outgoing FXS ports, and a single virtual PBX. They're all simply connected together via their integrated IP ports, and you can use either 1 or up to the full number of the 7 FXO ports, and you can use up to 28 devices. Let's talk about mounting options. For a single card with 4 ports, the TC3848-1 comes standard with what we call our standalone unit. It comes equipped with dual power supplies, an extended temperature range, and a 5-year warranty. If you need 8 ports, the perfect chassis for this application would be to use our 1U rack-mountable card cage, which holds 2 cards, and duplicated power supplies. If you would like to use 28 ports, then we do have a 4U rack. As you can see here, you can simply plug in up to 7 cards fully hot swappable, as with all JumboSwitch cards. You would then have 7 FXO ports and 28 FXS ports, which would allow you to pull 28 devices. This application provides ultimate flexibility in a single PBX, and again, you can use one or all of the available FXO ports. The TC3848-1 is a member of our JumboSwitch product family and can be found on our product matrix under the analog phone row under the Ethernet column. All of our JumboSwitch products can withstand a temperature range of -20 to 70 degrees Celsius and an optional extended temperature range from -40 to 80 degrees Celsius. All TC Communications products come with a standard 5-year warranty and include a 6-month support contract. All of our products are designed, manufactured, and supported in the USA. To learn more about our TC3848-1 or any of our JumboSwitch products, you can visit jumboswitch.com or tccom.com/JumboSwitch. To see our full list of products, please visit tccom.com and click on the drop-down menu in the top right corner of our homepage. Also, to get in touch with us, click on Contact Us also in the top right corner. Please like and subscribe for more content, and as always, thank you for watching.